Now, we are replacing the headlight bulb on passenger side. It needs to remove the intake. Then we can get more space to reach the headlight bulb and install the LED bulb. Remove the headlight bulb dust cover. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it from the headlight assembly. Unplug the electrical connector from the bulb by releasing the clip on the connector. Put the LED bulb into the headlight housing. The sticking points align to the socket. Turn the LED bulb clockwise to lock it. Connect the power plug. Please kindly note, turn on the headlight to test if the LED bulb works. If it does not work, you need to turn around the power plug and connect it again. Put the dust cover back on. Put the intake back. Fix hose pipe clamp with the screwdriver. Let's change the headlight bulb on the driver's side. The same installation steps, but no intake or other brackets are required to remove. Remove the dust cover. Twist out the stock halogen bulb. Unplug the electrical connector from the bulb by releasing the clip on the connector. Connect the power plug. Put the LED bulb into the housing and lock it in place. Please also check if the LED bulb works or not. Put the dust cover back on.